Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is longest common subsequence. And in this question, we are given two strings, that is text 1 and text 2, and we need to find the longest common subsequence. Now, what is a subsequence? A subsequence is basically a a subset of characters which follows the particular order. For example, in this string A, B, C, D, E, AB is a subsequence, AC is a subsequence, but CB is not a subsequence. So it should follow a particular order as well as it should be a part of that string. So we need to find the common substring which is longest in both of the strings. So now how we can approach this question? One approach is to generate all the subsequences and then compare. That will be very heavy in time complexity. That will tend to be around, that will be exponential in nature. Second approach, what we can think of is, yes, using dynamic programming, or first of all, using recurrence in a way which we can convert it into dynamic programming. Okay, so we need indexes. Yes. So let us see this way. We have both dynamic DP table solution as well as tabulation method. So let us see how this works. Now, if we will have two pointers I and j, which will be initialized to the endpoints of the string of both the characters. Now we will compare the characters. What we need to find, our task is to find the length of longest common subsequence. Now, what we will do, we will first check text of I and text of j. If text of I equals text of j, what we will do? We will simply add that one because it is one added into our subsequence, and then move forward, decrementing both I and j. If it is not the case, then we have to take care of both the approaches in which either I is decrementing or j is decrementing. So we will take both these, max of f of I minus 1 comma j and f of I comma j minus 1. Okay, and then we will store in the DP table. So yeah, in this way we can write the code. It's very evident, as so it is very clear. If the characters are equal, then we will include that one in the answer and call for next. If they are not equal, then we will check for both cases in which we are considering that particular and which we are considering the other strings. So how we can convert it into tabulation? It is very simple. First, we need to write the base case in this form. Now, if if it is at the 0th index, if it is at the 0th index, then we need not, then our answer will always be 0. Okay. Now, in tabulation, one thing is to notice, we have to shift the index because we are taking care of I minus 1, j minus 1. So we need to use one based indexing for actual computation. So we will store zeros here, and then we will perform the operation. If the text of I minus 1 is equals to text of j minus 1, then we will increment and store in the DP table. Else we will find out the max and store. Lastly, we will return DP of n comma n. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.